This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Scott Meredith. Welcome to a bright and beautiful updated 4-bedroom ranch with hardwood floors throughout on a quiet street in the heart of Alanton. Huge primary suite with private door to the pool and patio. An open floor plan with a large chef's eat-in kitchen, stunning granite countertops and large island with barstools. Living room boasts a cozy gas fireplace and French doors leading to the back deck. An elegant formal dining room with beautiful bay windows allows for a special gathering space. Large bedrooms with tons of closet space make for spacious living and ample storage. Enjoy the half-acre of mature landscaping surrounded with plush street, Augustine grass. The heated saltwater pool and huge patio with outdoor TV allow for extended playtime. Enjoy swimming, sunbathing, birdwatching, entertaining, or simply relaxing around the outdoor fire. New natural gas HVAC 2018 and new natural gas pool heater 2022. Elevate your lifestyle with Alanton Living. For more information, review the details below.